I've had this vibration plate for about 3 weeks now, and I wanted to try it out for a while before I did a review on it. So I'm really liking this a lot. First of all, let's talk about the size. It's a really nice compact size. I decided to put it in my bedroom, just in between the bed and the wall. And it tucks away really nicely when I'm not using it, and it's easy to just pull out from the wall while I'm using it. And then I have this little tripod that folds up to hold my phone, so I can just watch videos while I'm standing on the vibration plate. This does have suction cups on the bottom, which helps keep it still on hard floors. And something I really liked about this one is it has the silicone mat on the top here. A lot of the other vibration plates have balls in the shape of a foot on each side, and I didn't want that because I want to be able to use this every day just very easily without shoes on, and those types of balls usually end up hurting my feet. And I also thought it would be really uncomfortable to do other positions like planks and stuff like that if those balls are there in the shape of a foot. So this is really soft and comfortable to stand on, and it also helps you grip onto it so you're not moving around on there. So it comes with this remote, and I'm going to show you what it sounds like. It's not very loud at all. So this is pretty quiet. It's not disturbing at all. And I have seen some people have questions about, like, if they're in an apartment, if people in other apartments are going to be able to hear it, and I don't think they would at all. You can't feel any vibration on the floor surrounding it. I'm standing next to it right now and I can't feel it at all. So it is nice and quiet, and I don't think it would disturb your neighbors. This has an auto mode, or you can do up and down for the different levels. It has 10 levels. I definitely recommend starting at level 1 when you first start using this and let your body get used to it. Some people get really itchy when they start using it. It didn't happen to me, but I did start at level 1 for a while, so that may have helped. And then just slowly work your way up. I'm currently on like level 8, and that feels like a good speed for me. And this automatically stops after 10 minutes, so something to be aware of when you're standing on it. I didn't know when I first started using it that it was going to just stop at 10 minutes, so it kind of startled me a little bit, I guess. But now that I know, I'm like prepared for it to stop when it hits that 10-minute mark. At least it has a nice big screen that shows you the time on it, so you can see when it's approaching 10 minutes. So like I said, I've been using this for about 3 weeks. I'm almost using it every day. I have missed a few days here and there. Some days I use it twice. And I've been trying out lymphatic drainage massages while I'm standing on it. And then aside from that, I've been doing calf raises and squats, and I've tried out planks on it. And then another thing that I've seen somebody do was just to sit on it and rest your palms on the edges, and it kind of shakes up your arms. After I started doing that, I did notice that the measurements on my upper arms went down a little bit, so I'm definitely going to keep doing that and see if it continues to help. So the user manual does show you some different positions that you can try on the plate, including just sitting in a chair and letting it shake your legs. Really, even if you just stand on it or sit and have your feet on it, it's going to still feel really good even if you're not doing the different poses. So it's really nice. It's great for after a workout. It helps relieve some of the soreness. I work in a workshop, so I tend to get really sore when I'm done working every day. And since I've gotten this, I just stand on it for 10 minutes and let it do its thing. And it really helps with the soreness that I have, and it loosens up the tight muscles in my lower back and stuff like that. It just feels like a full body massage, so I really like this. I know people are probably wondering, have you lost weight? And I have not. So, you know, I've only been using it for like 3 weeks. We'll see if anything happens in the future, but so far I haven't lost any weight from it. But like I said, it did help tone up my arms a little bit so far, so we'll see how that goes. Either way, I like it because it helps get rid of soreness, and I could see this really helping with like restless leg syndrome and things like that as well. And it's especially great like after working or doing something where you're sore. I just wanted to show now that it's put away, it doesn't take up much space at all. I even have my tripod back here, the remote's back there and everything. So all you need is just a tiny little area to put it in. It takes up a lot less space than any other type of like exercise equipment that I have. So I thought that was really nice. I put it in the bedroom just so it's super easy for me to access every day and make sure that I keep doing it.